Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Tyler, and today we're gonna make a birthday cake flavored ice cream because it's my friend's birthday weekend, so gotta treat him well. And I don't know if you noticed, but my sister made me a little extra swag. Expanding operations! Okay, so we got our standard custard base right here. We had to triple it because there's a lot of people at this birthday, so gotta treat them all. We got a homemade vanilla cake from scratch. Not from a box. This ain't no Betty Crocker cake, bud. What we're gonna do with this one is we're gonna crumble it up, throw it in the blender with the base. This will be the decoration on top, and let's just pop some on the top. I'm gonna pour this base in. This is a two-hander. She's heavy, but she's also beautiful. We're gonna start dropping them in here. Light her up, boys! We'll take our little teaspoon and try this. Very good, very good. It's all infused in and you can taste the cake inside of it. Time to churn. Always give it a smell. While it's churning, make sure you study up on your ice cream science. It's very, very important. Da Vinci, you're such a character. No way! Really? I would have never thought.
Tico, you're on YouTube.
He is stoked. Get going. Okay, we're done. We're done. Oh yeah. Now, sprinkles. Cause what's a birthday without sprinkles? Just a Tuesday. Just a Tuesday. Unless your birthday's on Tuesday. Okay, now my favorite part, time to test this. It has a lot of birthday cake in it, so I think it will be quite birthday cakey. Oh yeah. That's so good. Holy, yes! That's so good that you can taste like the homemade birthday cake in that, and it tastes so authentic. It's blended in there and it's chunked in there. It's thrown, the bits are thrown in there, made little birthday cake chunkies, and it's so good. If it's your birthday, someone else's birthday, or not a birthday, make this insane. Well, Andre, I hope you enjoyed eating it as much as I enjoyed making it. Happy birthday, buddy. Woo! Nibbling! Good!
Not the nibbling. You like the ice cream today?